Okay, suppose I want to know the type of this name, right? So orange, right? So orange part of this name column here, right? So I have turned this into a table that is called the T fruits. Mm, so if I use the XLookup, right, and looking at this value here, comma, and I'll look at this column, right? So I can just put there T fruits and names column. Then like T fruits, I want to return the type, right? So can this be done, right? So well, it's not, right? So well, we know that this is one of some of the value inside, right? So as long as we team, right? So we can use the wildcard, right? So let's just say wildcard and um and here asterisk. So what? But it's still couldn't find, right? Um, orange, right? So it's like anything that's within this list, right? Should be. Now that's because that we need to set up another things here, right? It's called here, right? After the two comma, right? We gotta use the wildcard characters match, right? So put that two, right? And enter. We get the value here. So this is it. So you got to make sure the match mode is the wildcard. And thanks for watching.